like laughing because I feel like every time I'm doing stuff, my kitten's running underneath my bed and like trying to swat at my like ankles. So it's like giving me anxiety. But I just got off of work and I am actually going to be packing because tomorrow after work, I work 10:30 to 7 tomorrow, which I do Monday through Fridays, like every day. And so I'm gonna be pre-packing today. I know it's like really last minute. Yeah, so I made like a matcha. I am like literally aimed to get a bunch of things done. So I'm like packing, self-grooming, which is like, okay, not self-grooming, like self-tanning. Tomorrow I'm gonna pack up my car and then we're gonna leave super early. Figured I'm gonna let you guys, we'll kind of do this together if I remember to take my camera out. I'm currently playing like just booktube videos right now. I just feel like they're so comforting, and I don't know why, like even though I'm excited, I get a lot of anxiety because I have to think about all these different things I need to get done. So tonight my goal is to literally just pack, get everything I want to do done. Like I want to do my nails. I have not chosen any outfits yet, so we'll see what I'm wearing because I don't know, I can't really decide on what to wear, but I will see you guys in the next clip. You're so tough. Okay, sorry, my bathroom is the kind that has like the fan that automatically plays, but I am just gonna be packing. I kind of want to keep it kind of simple, and yes, I have hair everywhere because that's just how my hair is. And thankfully I have like already like some pre-packaged, like I like to keep a travel bag kind of ready just because you never know when you're gonna need one like right away. So I always just have a bag already kind of pre-packed with travel items. Like I have like my little deodorant, toothpaste, just like all like little travel size like things. That's why sometimes some of those subscription services are really nice because you can already kind of have things packed. I'm gonna have some lotion. And then I have like my soaps, which like I just do these little 2 soaps. I'm gonna bring my retainer, of course. And I'm probably just gonna use this toothbrush. There were some of these things. Don't mind everything's messy right now because I'm like in the middle of trying to pack everything. I'm just trying to make sure I have, oh yeah, I wanted my Haru SPF because it's gonna be sunny out there. And I'm not gonna bring like too many big things. So I think that should be okay for now. Okay, so this is the makeup I'm gonna pack. I didn't want to pack like a lot of makeup. I just wanted to pack like my trusty ones and then that's it. Because a lot of times I feel like I end up just not really like doing my makeup because we're on vacation. I don't want people waiting on me. My makeup sponges. This is my first time trying this one, so I don't know. I hope I like it. It's a waterproof one. I have like setting spray, like a small one from the Body Shop. I actually put this in here because it's white and I didn't want it to get messed up because I just bought it, but it's the Makeup by Mario contour stick. I just feel like when you're rushing a contour stick and like what's it called? I have a stick blush in here somewhere. Like a little stick blush. Anything like that is just so easy and so quick to use. A tiny little primer, little Tatcha tiny primer. It's like a travel size one. I also have like a, actually I don't think I need this one, so I'm not gonna bring that one. Should I? Actually yeah, I'm gonna bring it. You know, this is the Benefit Brow, and then this is my first time actually really like kind of using the Stila one. I normally use the Kat Von D Trooper one, I think, but waterproof is like my go-to, especially because it gets hot. Lip liner, and then just a lip gloss, just like really easy stuff. I have like a little lip mask in here. It's super old. This like brand is not even, they're not even existing anymore. My eyelash curler, which this is kind of new actually too. These aren't like new, but they're like new for me within the past year that I've tried these brands. And then this is like a new eyeliner, eye curler, which I needed because my other one was just so old. Oh my gosh, my cats are freaking out. And then my trusty, like this is one of my favorite concealers ever, the NARS Creamy Concealer, and my shade is Madeline. So I have like a Fenty little eyeshadow palette. I like this one because I don't think I'm gonna really do like my eyeshadow like that. I think I'm gonna just do like those quick, just like the swipes, and this is like perfect because it has pretty much just like neutral but then also really cute shades. And if I just want to hurry up and swipe it on my face, I can, and it's tiny, it's like travel size. It's just like the perfect little palette. So yeah, I think I have everything. I just didn't want to pack too much, but the one thing I do need is contour powder, so let me find that real quick.
name is Doug. I just met you.